The VEVOR 8KW diesel heater is designed to efficiently heat spaces between 161 and 215 square feet, making it ideal for vehicles and small living areas. Equipped with upgraded security features, this heater includes a heat-insulated exhaust pipe shield and a leak-proof fuel cap to ensure safe operation. Its low fuel consumption, consuming just 1 gallon per night, combined with over 90% combustion efficiency, makes it both economical and environmentally friendly. The dual control options, including a 98-foot remote control and an adjustable LCD screen, offer convenience and flexibility for users. This diesel heater is versatile enough to function effectively at altitudes under 9,843 feet, providing reliable warmth in various environments. Compact and easy to install, the VEVOR 8KW diesel heater is a practical choice for those needing consistent heating in their vehicles or outdoor spaces.